Hey guys, excuse the noise. It is raining for like the 20th day in a row here in Texas. So what we're gonna do now is check out the mirror, which actually you can see there isn't one, it's gone. So in the meantime, when I decide whether I'm going to actually replace the auto dimming mirror, I just went ahead and bought this $10 mirror on eBay. Let me get a picture of it real quick. Here is the mirror. Just a real simple mirror. It actually has a suction cup. And you know what? I don't care. This is going to work for now, and then I'll decide whether I'm going to replace that auto dimming mirror. You know, not sure it's going to be worth a couple $100 to me. We'll see. So let's put it in. Okay, this is pretty simple. All you're going to do is put it where you're going to want to have it, and you'll push down the suction cup thing, and boom, there it goes. Now we'll just turn it, and voila, there we go. You can see all my junk in here. E36 Mirrorcore XR4 Ti. Anyway, we will give this a try and see how it works. Hey guys, we are going to test out this new mirror. My initial thoughts are that I don't really like it. So let's see how it works when we're backing up. So right now I have a horse trailer behind me, and it's just so hard to see because the image is tiny. Can't really tell if I'm about to hit it or what. It's just so small. Just gonna move around a little bit. I have a lot of obstacles here. Backing up. Side mirrors are just fine, but the rear, man, it's just so small, and the shape is weird. I guess it's meant for like a golf cart. I really don't like it. However, it should do the job for now. Having a tough time justifying spending a couple $100 on the auto dimming mirror when I rarely drive this car. But let's see, let's try and back up into the shop and see how this goes. Image is just so small, and with the curve it makes things look like they're right next to the side view, and they're not. So yeah, this is not very good. Not very happy with it. It was $10, but still, hope for better. Well, let's get this car inside, and we're gonna figure out what we're gonna do. Maybe I will splurge on it. Maybe I get it repaired. Not sure. But stick with me. We'll see what happens.